Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove movies or TV shows from your continue watching for you section. So you're just going to go to this section here, go to netflix.com first. You can also do this on your TV as well. So to do that, you're just going to hover over the movie and you're going to select remove from my list, and then remove from now, remove from row not to your list, and then you can either select whichever you want. I'm just going to select just cleaning up here, but I'm just going to press undo. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.